this is a presentation of mine. So, mabuhay! So, I am actually from the Philippines. So, when you say mabuhay, it's like, it's a word similar to like long live, long live. So, yeah, or we are using this as an exclamation of saying welcome in the Philippines. So, we have this mabuhay. So, in the Philippines, we actually have 3 major islands. So, the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And then, overall, we have 7,641 islands. So, yes, the Philippines is more than a destination. It's a mosaic of cultures, landscape, and experiences. So, this is the map of the Philippines. And this is the capital of the Philippines, Manila. So, about 110 million people. So, as of 220 as a population. Wow. Yes. And this is my hometown. This is the place where I raised, and then when I grew up. So it's okay here.
And you have access.
This is my hometown, Karamay, so if you're given a chance to travel to the Philippines, so you must visit my place. So, yeah. And yes. So in the USA, I learned and experienced the 4 seasons, and in the Philippines we only have 2 major seasons: the dry or sunny seasons and the wet or rainy seasons. So it takes so much time. Okay, so yeah, diversity is our strength. So a lot of many people want. So the Philippines is a home to 110 million ethno-linguistic groups, including Ifugao, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So we speak over 180 languages. So aside from our national language is Tagalog. So for us to be able to communicate and also understand each other. So one of the president, Manuel Quezon, declared Tagalog as our national language, and it is passed into law.
You have to know your national language.
Yeah, Tagalog. And I am teaching it to my students, and yeah, it's so cute whenever they say those words. So Roman Catholic is a major religion in the Philippines. So yeah. So this is the Alaska times when our story unfolded. So before we've been colonized by the Spaniards. The Spaniards were the first nation to colonize Philippines for about like 323 years. We've been colonized by the Spaniards, and then after that, the United States, the Americans came to our country, and then we've been colonized by them for about like for 44 years, or 44 years, something like that. And after that, we've been colonized again by another country, the Japanese people. Yeah. And then after that's during the World War II. And after that, so the Filipino and the American fought for our against the Japanese people, and then the Americans gave us this like the Philippine communal government. And they promised us after 10 years they will totally give us our independence. And then it started on July 4, 1946. So yeah, we're free. We're free from the colonizers. So, yeah, until now we're a free country. So that's why I'm here. To see free people from the Philippines. So this is our colorful culture. Yeah. So basically we have kapwa. Yeah, kapwa in Tagalog. So meaning seeing others as part of ourselves, no one is a stranger. And we have bayanihan. We say bayanihan. Yeah. That's so cute. They're helping each other, no questions asked. And we have utang na loob. Yeah, gratitude with a promise to give back. And pakikisama. So getting along and keeping harmony in the group.
We need that.
Yeah. Yes, and then these are the flavors of the island. So sorry, next time I'm gonna give you or offer you some of these Yes, this is our must-try dishes. So adobo is the very famous Filipino food. Yeah, so it's made of it's also called as a vinegar and soy sauce raisin sauce food. The sinigang, yeah, it comes with a pork or a shrimp or seafood or something like that. Then kare-kare, the peanut stew with oxtails and veggies. And then this is the very famous, yeah, the roasted pig. It is the centerpiece of every celebration in the Philippines. So we call this in Tagalog, lechon. Yeah, lechon. And these are the street foods. These are the foods that I've been missing for, like, yeah, because I used to eat this every day in the Philippines. And these are called as the street foods. So when you walk on the sidewalks, you can see somebody selling those foods. And you cannot just easily buy some foods. So isaw, it is a chicken intestine. Yeah, being grilled. A kwek, quail egg or chicken egg, wrapped by like a waffle. Yeah, and it tastes so good. You dip it in the vinegar, mixed with some veggies. Yeah, onions. Yeah, and then halo is the famous one. Fishbowl, banana crew, and so these are the famous places that you have to visit. One of our, I think we can just the beaches, rivers, volcanoes. So Libanawar terraces. It belongs to before it belongs to the seven wonders of the world. It's just like a stair that they used to plant rice. It's a famous and then the volcano. This is the smallest. It's one of the smallest volcanoes in the Philippines, but it is active. Actually, when I leave the Philippines, yeah. And then the Palawan, one of the famous for the foreigners, for the foreign people.
Underground.
When they go to the Philippines, yeah, the underground river. So it is it's an UNESCO.
So you can go on
Yes.
lake, or you can go.
Riding on a boat, a small boat.
Do you know
And
how
you're gonna
to
pass.
fly this?
I don't know exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the Wind volcano. This is one of our pride in my province. Yeah, in Bicol region, where I came from. It's a perfectly shaped, active, perfect cone volcano. Yeah. So Boracay, famous for its white sand, blue waters, and beach. So that's about that.
We need to go to Philippines now.
And this is the fiesta for this is the celebrations in the Philippines. So we have Kadayawan, celebration of Indigenous people, the Panagbengan in Baguio City. You know what Baguio City is built during the American settlement in the Philippines. It was Daniel Burnham, an architect, who built the city. Because Baguio is located on the highest mountains. I mean where the weather or the climate is cold. So yeah, because they're not used to dry season or sunny season. And then the Sinulog. So it is celebrated in Cebu. It is a festival honoring Santo Niño. And then the Mascara. They used to wear colorful and unique masks, and they joyfully dancing in the street. So yeah. Yes. Philippines is one of the world's 17 megadiverse countries. Over 52 species with half found only here. Home of the wildlife like the Philippine eagle, tarsier. The tarsier is a zoo. It is very a small creature, but it has a very big and wide open eyes. They look like I don't know if it's a small creature. Yeah, only found in Bohol, in the Philippines, where chocolate hills are found. Part of Coral Triangle, rich in marine life from wind sharks to the dugongs. So, these are the things you didn't expect. Fun facts you want to tell everyone. The Philippines has the longest Christmas season. Our Christmas starts with Burma, with months that ends with Burma. September, October, November, December. Yeah. So when in September 1, we used to put have like we started to put some decorations, Christmas lights, Christmas trees. Yeah, yeah, the wrapping gifts. Yeah, so 4 months. Let's start that. Yeah, the Philippines is the longest Christmas season. Karaoke is a national obsession, so you'll hear it everywhere, like this one. So they just have to select song using the television, so the song that they want to sing. They have to sing. So, and you know, Philippines are one of the best singers in the world. Yeah. So once the texting capital of the world, now leading on TikTok and Facebook. Almost all of the Filipinos have TikTok and Facebook account. Not just one, maybe twice. They have double, triple accounts. Jeepneys are colorful rides. You know what? This came from. I mean, after war, those military jeeps are turned to useful jeepneys. So the Filipinos, created, put some colorful designs on it, and up until now, they are being used in the Philippines as a means of transportation. Yeah, and it offers small fare, but it is expensive. Yeah. So, yes. This is our home. The beauty of the Philippines isn't just in the places, it's in the people, the stories, and the spirit that connects us. This isn't just where we live, it is where we grow, dream, and belong. The more we explore it, the more we understand it. So, this is our story. The Philippines isn't just where we live, it is who we are. Thank you. And I have here some posters for you. And I have here some snacks for you. These are the products made in the Philippines.
Oh, wow.
Yes. You can have some.
Thank you. This is amazing. We don't have to go to Philippines.
This one is best. This one is my favorite.
Is it okay if I scroll up? To
Yes, Mr. Go.
This is amazing.
Philippines, on